Your agentic AI workflows are live. They're handling requests, resolving tickets, answering queries, working quietly in the background to automate repetitive tasks. But here's the challenge. Do you actually know how well your AI agents are performing in real time? Are your tools executing efficiently? Are your agents making the right decisions? Or are there silent retries and errors driving up latency? Key metrics like execution time, task accuracy, and failure rates are often buried in logs, delayed in reporting, or worse, missing altogether. Without that real-time insight, you're not optimizing. You're just hoping things work as expected. That leads to delays, inefficiencies, and limited ROI from your agentic AI investment. That's where our Agentic AI Optimizer comes in. It's a dedicated product built to give you deep, real-time insights into the behavior of your agentic AI workflows. Let's take a look inside the Agentic AI Optimizer workspace. The Agentic AI Optimizer opens with a unified dashboard that gives you a quick overview of published workflows, active AI agents, and average execution time. But the real power lies in how you can slice performance by product suite. With the module filter, you can instantly segment execution data across ITSM, CSM, HRSD, or platform-related workflows, focusing only on what matters to your team. From there, drill down into live usage patterns. Identify your most used workflows, top-performing agents, slowest executions, and even failed agent or tool calls, while workflows are still running. The dashboard updates dynamically, showing only the relevant agents, workflows, and tool interactions for each selected module. Let's drill deeper into a workflow execution. In the Execution Plans view, you'll see the name of the workflow and its objective or prompt that triggered each workflow run, and a conversation ID, so you can trace back to the user interaction that started it all. Clicking into an execution of a workflow shows the detailed execution plan. In the Execution Tasks tab, you can review each task that was executed, the status of the task, which could be ready, queued, ongoing, success, canceled, or error, and the output of the specific task. The Messages tab captures the full interaction flow, user prompts and inputs, and system messages. This creates an end-to-end audit trail of the workflow run, making it easier to review. The Tools Execution tab gives you an inside look at the tools invoked by each agent, whether they ran in sync or async mode, their respective status, which could be success, error, canceled, or timeout. This makes it easy to optimize tool usage and reduce latency at the granular level. Now let's visualize the execution path. The Content Tree view presents a hierarchical breakdown of the workflow, the AI agents involved, and the tools they executed. Each step is color-coded to highlight performance. Green is equal to fast and healthy. Yellow is equal to moderate latency. Red is equal to critical delay, often tied to the slowest or most error-prone executions. This makes it simple to spot issues in real time, no guesswork required. For a more graphical experience, switch to the node map. Here, each node represents a workflow, agent, or a tool, and you can click to drill down into execution time, assist, consumption accuracy rates, and real-time performance insights. It's a visual diagnostic map of how your agentic AI workflows are performing right now, giving teams visibility into which agents are driving up assist usage so they can fine-tune performance before it becomes expensive. In the Performance Metrics tab, you'll see a summary of each workflow run, number of runs, average execution time, and workflow accuracy. This data helps teams prioritize optimizations, reduce operational costs, and improve agentic AI performance over time. The Agentic AI Optimizer isn't just about observability. It's about continuous improvement. It gives you the power to diagnose inefficiencies in real-time, fine-tune your workflows, post-deployment, reduce latency, retries, and tool failures, and maximize the ROI of your agentic AI operations. Deployment is just the start. With the Optimizer, you continuously fine-tune your agentic workflows, making them faster, smarter, and more efficient over time. And for a unified experience, the Agentic AI Optimizer's analytics are also accessible from the Now Assist Readiness Evaluation Analytics page. To learn more about how you can simplify your ServiceNow AI journey, visit work4flow.com.